Hey there, welcome back to this fifth video in this Windows 10 Basics series. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps of installing a new application on your computer, and we're going to install Google Chrome, which is a web browser. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your current web browser. So if you're on a Mac, it's probably Safari. Here we're on a Windows 10 computer, so it's going to be Microsoft Edge. You can see my other videos about moving applications around. If you're having trouble finding that, we can go ahead to this bar here and just type in google.com. Okay, so navigate to google.com, and here we're just going to go ahead and search for Google Chrome. So that's generally the first step in installing any application, is going and finding the website or the link to click and download it. So you have to just search the internet for that. Only download things from trusted websites. So Google's a well-known technology company, and a little tip here, you see this little lock on the corner that is basically telling you that it's a secured site. Okay, so once you find the download location for wherever you want to download, you just click download, and in this case we'll download Chrome. Okay, so something's going to pop up. Safari, I believe it pops up down in your taskbar. Looks like we already have it all done, but once it is finished, it'll pop up when you'll be able to click it. Here I just went ahead and clicked open file, that little blue circle. It's telling me that the computer is working. It's going to ask if you want to allow changes. You're going to go ahead and say yes. Okay, now we can just close this out. We don't need this anymore. Now you're just going to wait a second. Google Chrome is going to go through the process of installing. Basically, the file has some information, and it's just telling your computer, take these lines of code, put them on the computer. If the lines of code aren't there, talk to Google's computers, and it'll download the files. So I'm just going to give this a couple seconds to finish, and then we'll be able to log in and open Google Chrome, play around with it a little bit, and I can show you also how to sign in to any of your accounts if that's something that you'd want to do. So I'll just let this finish up. A couple more seconds here. And just a note, depending on how fast your internet connection is, it may take a little longer to download, and depending on how fast your actual computer is, the computer itself, this process may take a little longer. So just be patient. So Chrome will launch when you are finished with it. Now, the last thing, before we actually play with Chrome, let me just close this out. As you can see, a little desktop icon was created. Okay, so let's pretend that didn't happen. And let's see how we could add a shortcut of Chrome to the taskbar and the desktop. So first, we're going to hit the start button. Okay, and then just look for Chrome. This is under Google Chrome. Okay, so we're going to drag, if you want to put it on the start menu here, we just drag it and drop it. Okay, if you want to put it on the desktop, same game, you just drag it and drop it. And then if you want to put it onto the taskbar, just go to Google Chrome, right click, more, pin to taskbar. Okay, so now you have Google all over the place, wherever you like it. Now you just click Google Chrome. And then to sign in, this little person button up here, you just click that, and then you can go ahead and sign in your profile here. And that's just your personal information. And I can also go through creating a Gmail account if that's something that interests you. Okay, but now you have Chrome installed, and the shortcuts too. All right, thank you.